Welcome back. Well, a beautiful but warm spring day across Acadiana, at least warm for early March for sure, and some record-breaking temperatures in the forecast later this week. But as we move forward, temperatures staying quite warm, rain chances ramping up for the weekend, and it stays unsettled into next week. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look at our tower cam. Oh, and we're seeing that cloud street that was moving through the area. It was just so pretty and illuminated just 15 minutes ago, but now the sun is set and the clouds are below where the sun is still hitting the super high clouds off to the north, even though it's below the horizon. So let's kick it over to the graphics, and yep, it's that time of year. Tree pollen on the rise, almost in the very high category, and the main culprits are oak and cypress. Those are the ones that bud earliest, and even the oak tree outside here at KATC is starting to green up. So here we go. All that pollen in the air will be coming. Again, my condolences for everyone's sinuses. Today, 82 degrees, just 1 degree shy of a record set back some 88 years ago and before that, but we do have record-breaking temperatures down the line. Look at this. The normals are 70 and 51. Normally, you'll see maybe a 5-degree spread, maybe up to 10 degrees at night, but we're way above that. We're running 10 to 15 degrees, and in some cases 20 degrees above normal at night. Now, I crunched the numbers during the course of the meteorological winter, which is December, January, and February. And looking at it all, after all was said and done, we were forecasting a milder than normal winter, and sure enough, we were 2 degrees above normal. The highlights, though, was that big, deep late January freeze with flurries, and we almost had the ice storm. December broke down 2 degrees above normal. January, just a ½ degree below normal, because the first half of January, we had highs consistently in the 70s. Then after a chilly couple of days as we started February, well, you can see 4½ degrees above normal. So the trend of milder winters continues. That has been the trend we have observed over the last 20 to 30 years. But we're starting to see more extreme events because of the waviness of the jet stream tied back to polar warming that is off the charts. That makes the jet stream more unpredictable, and that gives us more extreme events like the blizzard last year, the super cold, and we may see more of that in the future. So with the milder winters, maybe more snow and ice events. We'll see. Southerly winds are continuing. We see tropical moisture starting to edge northward, and that's going to contribute to the chance of a few showers, maybe a thunder shower tomorrow. Clouds and some fog move in again tonight. That's not unusual. Partly sunny for the afternoon. And the HER model going for more than the graph model here. But best rain chances will be from Acadiana on eastward, drier back to the west. We'll go 30% for tomorrow. I think we see more than what the graph is showing here, and then much the same as we head into Thursday. Severe weather threats beginning to bust out off to our west, and then marching back to the west as we get into Thursday. Friday, a more serious severe weather threat. And then as we head into the weekend, we're going to see a better chance of showers and storms moving in our region come Saturday and maybe into Sunday, maybe marginal threats down the road. And then we'll have to keep an eye on when we get to about Wednesday of next week. That could be a strong thunderstorm situation. So as we get into the 10-day forecast, we're talking temperatures probably breaking records Thursday and Friday. Not so tomorrow. The record's 85. Few showers tomorrow. Isolated activity through Friday. And then rain chances ramp up, but not a washout for Saturday, Sunday, and unsettled until we get storms and a cold front next Wednesday. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little.